4 days.
Yeah, we shoot it over 4 days, and then post-production. So like it editing, did color grading, did music composing. It's about my 1.5 months.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Close to 2 months, basically.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Bese isihloko sayo yini? Title.
Oh, The Last Dance.
The last?
The Last Dance.
Or The Last Dance.
Yeah.
Oh, kuba yini ke ni tiyelelo ukuthi Last Dance?
So basically, my man the story ne. It's a little inspiration from do you know Michael Jordan's The Last Dance documentary on the Red streaming app? I don't think I'm allowed to mention the name because we had SABC, of course. But yes, that documentary on the Red streaming app. So that's where the inspiration came from, and it was basically for one night. It was like, guys, film my last day. So and also within the story, actually, it was also our story is about Tandega, and it's based on Fees Must Fall movement, and so Tandega basically unale shortfall, not really bazar, mara bazar thing in a shortfall, and then more shortfalling thing. I plan now. I got go graduate.
Yeah.
So Tandega plan I graduate. So I join a cousin higher, but join the friends that wanna. Then basically, but the robbery, the heist, I graduate. Yeah. So I graduate so that I can patella school so that she can graduate. So it's also in the film. It's also like it's the last heist. It also
So like I was saying, there are different roles. And then lady cinematographer, people that shoot the movie. So they book out this equipment for us to shoot. So unless when I remember one of my scenes now, but easy rig and we couldn't find it. Those are things that are outside school. And the producer easy rig, shoot that, you know. And I'm like, I can't find it. I don't have the funds because at the end of the day, yes, Barafa equipment and Barafa a certain amount of money, but we also have to raise funds for the Kono shooter because remember we have to pay the location, like all those kind of things. So, but yeah, it was the equipment that I told like school and no say easy. Hey, no shoot days are not easy.
Yeah.
Or when I'm so shooting no shota fela re because as skill producer and director he wants the shots at the inchi because I can story basically he's telling the story so like the producer I work with time. Yeah. So he can director director ever to shoot ever to nakele producer ke cut the cameras
atho othandwako enarheni i-ICYMI ukhanya